Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious baby back barbecue ribs in the oven. Always remember to wash your ribs and to take the membrane off. The reason for the membrane to get off of it is because your ribs will get a little tough and rubbery where the membrane is. So here we go. We're going to take our membrane off. So these are all our seasoning. So we have 2 teaspoons brown sugar, we have 2 teaspoons white sugar, we have 1 teaspoon paprika, we have 1 teaspoon black pepper, we have half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of adobo seasoning. So we're gonna mix our rub. This is our rub for our barbecue. We also have some pepper flakes and dry thyme. So we're gonna give this a good mix. Now you can see we have some yellow mustard, which we're going to use just a little bit. Just rub a little bit over so it will keep our rub in place. So we're gonna pat our rub in place. So we're going to do the same procedure with the other side. Mustard. So now we're going to cover our ribs to marinate for a little while, and then we get it in the oven. So now that our ribs is marinated, we're going to put our ribs in the oven at 350 degrees. So in the meantime, our ribs is cooking. We're gonna make up our sauce. 2 cups of ketchup, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. So we have some hot sauce. We're just going to use 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. So this is our vinegar. This is our seasoning right here. Our sugar. And just about 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. You're going to mix all these together. So now that our ribs is cooked, we're going to baste our ribs with our sauce. Now we're going to transfer our ribs to a grill. And this is how you make delicious, tender, juicy barbecue ribs.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification button that as soon as we upload another video, you will be the first to know. Enjoy!